Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Narayana online classes. For class 9 students, today's topic is Lewis theory. Okay. Now here, according to Arrhenius theory, what is acid? The substance which can produce or it gives H plus ions in the presence of water molecule is called as Arrhenius acid. Okay. If you come to Arrhenius base, the substance which can produce OH minus ions in the presence of water is called as Arrhenius base. Okay. Now if you come to Bronsted-Lowry acid, the substance which can produce protons in the presence of water molecule is called as Bronsted acid. If you come to Bronsted base, the substance which can gain a proton in the presence of water molecule is called as a Bronsted base. But if you come to, according to the Lewis theory, the substance which can donate a pair of electron, the substance which can donate a pair of electron is called as Lewis base. Okay. Now for example, water molecule if you take, it is having two lone pair of electrons in the oxygen atom. The substance which can donate a pair of electron is called as Lewis base. Now if you come to Lewis acid, the substance which can accept a pair of electron is called as Lewis acid. Generally, vacant orbitals, if it is present in the atom, we can take as it is the required electrons for getting stability. Those substances will act as Lewis acids. Means here H plus ion, if we take, it will be acting as Lewis acid. Suppose if we take as generally cations like calcium plus 2, like here these ions, cations, generally they will be acting as Lewis acids, or which are having vacant orbitals, they will act as Lewis acids. Now here, because of the Lewis base and Lewis acid, here generally they can form coordinate covalent bond. They can form coordinate covalent bond. Means here coordinate covalent bond is nothing but what? Between two atoms. Here one atom only provides two electrons for the bond formation, then it can form coordinate covalent bond. Now for example, the formation of ammonium ion, if you take NH4 plus ion, if you take ammonia forma is NH3, the structure if you take as like a pyramidal shape will be there, and here nitrogen is having a lone pair of electron, that ammonia is having octet stability for nitrogen atom, and here if you add a proton to this, here a proton is not stable, they require two electrons for the bond formation, then here one pair of electron is given to H plus ion, that will be converted to NH4 plus. Then the molecule is stable, or then this NH4 plus ion is stable. Means here, before bond formation it is pyramidal shape, but after the bond formation it is tetrahedral shape will be there. Now here, before formation of coordinate covalent bond, H plus is unstable. Means here H plus is not having octet stability or duplet stability is not having. Then it is Lewis acid, it is the required electrons. Now this is Lewis base, there it is giving a pair of electrons to other atom or molecule here. Now here, between Lewis base and acid here, there is a transfer of transfer of pair of electrons takes place from Lewis base to Lewis acid. Then it can form coordinate covalent bond. Okay. Now come to examples related to Lewis bases and Lewis acids if we take, according to the questions we will discuss here. Now here, which of the following molecule will be acting as a Lewis acid? That is the question. Okay. Which of the following molecule will be acting as a Lewis acid? Now the first option, Lewis acid is the question. First option, Lewis acid. No, here first option I am taking as water molecule. Second option I am taking as ammonia. Third option I am taking as suppose boron trifluoride molecule I am taking. Fourth option I am taking as HF molecule I am taking. Suppose. Okay, like that I have taken. Now, which of the following molecule will be acting as Lewis acid? Now, first of all, what is Lewis acid? Lewis acid is nothing but what? If it is not having octet stability, it will act as the required electrons for getting stability. Then it will be acting as a Lewis acid for getting stability. Means here, which one? Now here, if you take water molecule, it is having octet stability, it is stable, and it is having lone pair of electrons. It will be acting as a Lewis base. Come to ammonia, it is having lone pair of electron, nitrogen. It is ammonia is stable molecule, and it is also acting as a Lewis base. If it is having lone pair of electrons, they can donate a pair of electron to the other one. Now come to boron trifluoride molecule. Boron is not having octet stability, it is having an empty orbital. there is a vacant orbital, the required for getting stability still 2 electrons will be required. Then here it will be acting as a Lewis acid and HF molecule is stable already. Then the answer I can take as third one, boron trifluoride molecule I can take. Okay. Now suppose the question is like this: which of the following molecule or ion it is acting as Lewis base? They ask. Lewis base they ask. Now options are changed now. Suppose here now I am taking as options are like this: BCl3 molecule first option, second option is ammonia, third option is boron trifluoride, fourth option is boron trifluoride molecule. Now which are having lone pair of electrons in the central atom? Nitrogen is having lone pair of electrons. Then the answer I can take as second one. Ammonia molecule, if we take, nitrogen is having lone pair of electron, it is having octet stability, it can donate a pair of electron. If it is donating a pair of electron, it will be acting as a Lewis base. Okay. Now here, not only if the atom is having lone pair of electron, if the element is having a negative charge also, they will act as a Lewis bases here. Means generally anions will be acting as Lewis bases and cations are acting as Lewis acids here. Okay. Now chloride ion, fluoride ion, bromide ion, if you take those ions also, or which are having a negative charge with octet stable, those ions they will be acting as Lewis bases here. Okay. Which are not having stability, octet stability, if it is not there, those all substances, maybe anion, maybe cation. Okay. Or if this molecule also, if they require electrons for getting stability, they will be acting as Lewis acids here. Okay, like that they can ask the questions. Now for example, one more question we will discuss here. For example, third question, suppose in potassium ferrocyanide K4FeCN6 molecule, in this molecule what ion or element or molecule it is acting as Lewis acid? They are asking about Lewis acid in the given molecule or given compound. Lewis acid, no? Now first of all, Lewis acids means the required electrons. Lewis base means which are having a negative charge or lone pair of electrons in the central atom, they will be acting as Lewis bases. Now here, if you take potassium, if you take their charge +4, each potassium +1, 4 potassiums are there, then it is +4 charge. Then FeCN6 means it is -4 charge. Then FeCN6 means if you take your iron atom, then each cyanide charge is -1, then cyanide will be acting as a Lewis base here. Okay. Each cyanide is having -1 charge, 6 cyanides are there, then the charge here -6. Then if it is -6 outside -4, then iron should be +2 charge. Now what is the question here? Which element or ion is acting as Lewis acid? Means cyanides are negative charge and they are acting as Lewis bases here. Then here iron, if you take charge +2, each iron means here in this molecule or ion, cyanide is acting as a Lewis base and iron is acting as a Lewis acid. They are accepting the electrons from cyanide. How many cyanides we have? 6 cyanides we have, and here 6 cyanide ions. Each cyanide ion is giving one pair of electron to the bond formation, and here like this it can donate a pair of electron to the iron atom. Like this, it can donate a pair of electron to the iron atom. How many pairs it is accepting? Iron, 6 pair of electrons it is accepting, and it is octahedral shape will be there. Octahedral shape will be there. Now, what is the answer here? Which ion is accepting a pair of electrons? It is iron ion, Fe+2. Okay. Or they can ask the question like this: what is the charge of iron in the given compound? The charge is +2 I can take. Or which ion is acting as the Lewis base? That is cyanide ion. And here in the given molecule, now the question is changed. In the given molecule, how many coordinate covalent bonds are present? 6 coordinate covalent bonds are present. Okay, right? Like this, like that, they can ask the question. Right? Thank you.